Enjoy the view of this 2008 Ford Escape. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get all the tools you need to make adventures comfortable and stress-free with this capable, comfortable Escape. This compact crossover delivers safety, convenience, versatility, and a smooth, relaxing driving experience, so all you need to do is enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, power driver's seat, alarm, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Feel relaxed and confident in this capable, comfortable Escape. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.